Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Faradila from Farmasi Class A. So today in this video, I will answer the question about definite article. In definite article, singular and plural noun, adverb of frequency, WH question, and simple present tense. Let's get started. Number 1. Differences between definite and indefinite article. Definite article is an article to be clear, exact, or obvious about something. It is called definite because it used in relation to a particular thing or person. In this article, we using a, an, and the. An indefinite article is an article, something which is not clear, obvious, or exact. It is called indefinite because the identity of the things or person being spoken about is left unclear or indefinite. We only use a and an. Number 2. Differences between article a and an. We using article a when the noun is beginning with consonant word. And we using article an when the noun is beginning with vowel A, I, U, E, O. We use number 3. We use the when before singular and plural noun when the noun is specific. 2. With nouns that are unique or only one, like moon or sun, before the name of rivers, sea or ocean, and mountain. And the last one before superlative adjective. Example for article a car, a hill, a monster, a rainbow, a pillow. Example for an egg, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Example for the Amazon, the Alps, the oldest, the man, the moon, and the sun. Number 5. An adverb of frequency explains or describes how often an action happens. Usually, we use always, usually, often, sometimes, and rarely in adverb of frequency. Number 7. If there is only one verb, so we put adverb of frequency after the subject. If there is a to be, so we put the adverb of frequency after the to be. If there is more than one verb, we put adverb of frequency after the first verb. And if for emphasis, we can put the adverb in the beginning or in the end of the word or sentence. Example for the adverb of frequency. For positive pattern, they often go to the cinema. Negative pattern, they don't often go to the cinema. For interrogative pattern, do they often go to the cinema? Number 9. The simple present tense expresses a general truth or a customary action. We can use the simple present tense to talk about things that are planned for the future. Number 10. Verbal sentence is a sentence which needs a verb. Nominal sentence is a sentence which doesn't need a verb, but this sentence needs a to be. We use am, is, are for present and was or were for past. Number 11. Nominal sentences in the simple present tense. In positive sentence, we use this formula: subject plus to be plus complement. Example for word, he is a lawyer. For negative form, we use subject plus to be plus not plus complement. He is not a lawyer. For interrogative, we put to be plus subject plus complement. Is he a lawyer? Number 12. Example for verbal sentence in simple present tense. In positive sentence, we put subject plus verb 1 s or es plus complement. She starts a new diet. For negative, we put subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus complement. She does not start a new diet. For interrogative, we put do or does in the beginning plus subject plus complement. Does she starts a new diet? Differences between do and does. We using do for subject I, you, they, we. We using does for subject she, he, it. We add s or es in the verb for subject she, he, it. We don't need put s or es in the verb for subject I, you, they, we. Number 15. We use singular noun when we are talking about one person, things, animal, places, or idea. We use plural noun when we are talking more than one people, animals, places, things, or idea. Number 16. Countable noun is noun that can be counted. Example, an apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, and etc. Uncountable noun is noun that cannot be counted. Example, air, water, salt, sugar. Number 17. Concrete nouns refers to physical object can we touch in the real world, such as a dog, a ball, and etc. Abstract noun refers to an idea or concept cannot we touch but we can feel it, like freedom or sadness or etc. Number 18. Common nouns are words for people, animals, places, or things. Example, actor, lawyer, airport, etc. Proper nouns are names or specific for particular people, places, or things. Example, Beethoven, Japanese, Egypt. Collective nouns are names for a group of individuals or a number of animals, places, things, or objects, concepts, or ideas. For example, a pack of cards, a board of directors. Compound nouns are result from the merging of two words. Example, washing machine, notebook, toothbrush, swimming pool, etc. Number 20. WH question is request for information. WH question usually start with a word beginning with W and H, but how is also included. Example for WH question: what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. Number 21. What? Asking about things, object, idea, and action. Example for question: what is your favorite color? When? Asking about a time of an event or activity. Example, when do you wake up every day? Where? Asking about place. Example, where can I obtain the books? Who? Asking about a person as a subject. Example, who is at the door? Whom? Asking about a person or as an object. Example, whom is he dating? Which? Asking about an option or choice. Example, which is the largest city in the world? Whose? Asking about possession. Example, whose keys are on the kitchen counter? Why? Asking for a reason. Example, why do you say that? How? Asking about a procedure or method. Example, how was your exam? Number 22. Yes, we can use the WH question in interrogative and negative sentence. Example, why didn't you come to school yesterday? And why didn't you tell me about this? Okay guys, I think this is the last things that I want to say. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next video. See you next time.